శక్తి తెలుసుకో.
The steps involved in the formation of a rainbow. Light from sun strikes raindrop. Some of the light is reflected. The rest of the light is refracted. White light splits into component colors. Light is refracted again as it leaves raindrop. Colors are further dispersed.